Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by giving the device permission and opening the search field right now. Make sure the microphone is enabled in settings and the app has access. Then wake voice search, say the hot word or press the mic icon. This begins listening immediately. Speak naturally and clearly. Name the thing you want, plus a location or attribute if needed. Once done, pause briefly so the system can process. These first steps get you from setup to a live listening state fast and reliably. Now move into shaping the query so the engine returns precise results. Ask full questions or short commands, both work, but include context like dates, addresses, or quantities to narrow answers. If the assistant asks a follow-up, answer succinctly. Those prompts refine the search. Make use of on-screen suggestions to tap the most relevant result quickly. If you need a different result, repeat the phrase with one changed parameter. This iterative method reduces errors and speeds. Finish by selecting the best result or issuing a follow-up voice command to act, call, navigate, play. If the assistant mishears you, pause and rephrase using simpler wording. A quieter room often fixes recognition issues. Make sure your network connection is stable and the microphone is unobstructed. If problems persist, toggle microphone permissions or restart the app. That clears common glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: switch to typing when repeated voice attempts fail. Then review settings before trying voice again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.